Ya. Okay, so we are going to discuss the chapter 5 alkene. Total there are 12 questions for alkene. So who are the first one to present for alkene? Nobody, right? So I just random call. Anyone volunteer? Okay. Eng Pei Wei, you start first. Okay? Eng Pei Wei, you start for alkene first.
But madam, I do for alcohol.
Oh, you do alcohol.
Yeah.
So who are doing for alkene? Kamalia, have you done for alkene?
I'm do Haloalkene, madam.
You are doing haloalkene as well. Okay, Danish, macam mana?
Yes, madam.
Okay, Danish tak apa, cuba alkene. Okay? Okay ah. You cakap je, madam tolong tulis.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first question. Okay, if you notice, right, question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, and question 6 is electrophilic addition. Yes. Okay, type of reaction is addition. Okay, so what is the answer for the first one? Danish? Kena apa?
CH3.
CH3?
CH2, CH3.
Yes, bagus. CH3, CH2, CH3. Dia tambah halogen. Tambah hidrogen kat sini, tambah hidrogen kat sini. Okay, yang kedua?
CH2, Cl.
CH2.
CH3.
Okay, CH, Cl. Okay, normally
Cl.
we will bracket Okay, akan bracket pun tak apa. Tapi bracket bagi dia tengok je. CH, Cl and then CH.
CH3.
Okay, bagus.
CH3.
Okay, and then question 3?
CH2 bracket Br. CH
CH2.
bracket OH.
Okay, bracket Br. CH, OH.
Bracket OH. CH3.
Okay, bagus. Okay, yang ini kita kena alert apa? Br dengan H3O plus kan? Kita tahu Br akan masuk and then kat sini OH akan masuk. Lepas tu kita kena ikut apa rules?
Markovnikov.
Okay, apa Markovnikov rules cakap?
Yang lebih positif ion akan masuk dekat H.
Okay, jadi kita tengok yang kedua.
Yang lebih banyak H.
Okay, yang dua ni. Yang mana lebih banyak H? C1 ke C2?
C1.
Okay, C1 lebih banyak H. Jadi tak ada hidrogen kat sini. Sini ada bromine and hydroxide je. Jadi yang mana ialah electrophile?
Br.
Yes, Br. That's why Br masuk kat C yang pertama. Okay, bagus. Okay, next.
CH3.
Yang kedua apa yang akan tambah?
OH.
Ya. OH.
dengan H.
Okay. Okay, CH3,
CH, OH,
CH, OH.
CH3.
Okay, bagus. So kat sini dia senang je. Kat sini dia sama ada nak masukkan H ataupun OH. Automatically OH ialah electrophile. Okay. Soalan 5.
CH3,
CH3,
CH, Cl,
CH, Cl.
CH3.
Okay, CH3. Senang juga kerana ini antara H dengan Cl. H ialah electrophile. Okay, lagi? Yang ini. Beralert. Apa ini? Peroxide. Okay, apa fungsi dia?
Dia berlawanan dengan Markovnikov.
Yes, berlawan dengan Markovnikov. Okay, yang ini H, Cl akan letak juga. Tapi kat sini Cl akan masuk kat C1.
Lebih banyak H.
Yes, jadi jawapan dia ialah?
CH2, Cl, CH2, CH3.
Okay, bagus. So inilah 6 jenis tindak balas bagi alkene undergo electrophilic addition. The type of reaction is electrophilic addition. Sebenarnya question 7 punyalah electrophilic addition. Okay, tapi dia ada satu fungsi yang special. Okay, soalan 7 ni fungsi yang special. Apa fungsi dia?
Fungsi.
Madam dah bagi satu B dah. Apa dia? Baru semalam buat je. Saya bagi satu huruf lagi. Anyone?
Bayer test.
Yes.
Yes, Bayer test. Yes, this one is Bayer test. Kena alert Nampak KMNO4 hydroxide coal ialah Bayer test. Jadi dia akan bentuk apa?
Alkohol.
Oi,
Diol.
kita tak panggil. Diol. Yes. CH?
CH2OH,
Hmm.
CHOH, CH3.
Lagi?
CH3
Okay, lagi?
plus MnO2.
Yes, yang ini kena buat. This is a brown precipitate, MnO2. Okay MnO2 wajib For Bayer test, you have, for KMNO4 have basic co-condition, right? Beside the diol, you also have to write down the MnO2 precipitate as well. Okay, bagus. Okay, now we proceed the second part of alkene, which is cleavage, evolved cleavage. Okay, the first one is ozonolysis. There are two reagent. Either is ozonolysis. Okay, madam silap kat sini sepatutnya O3 O3. So ozonolysis, ozone O3, kemudian zinc H2O or CH3 bracket 2 sulfate. Okay, dua-dua memberi reagent yang reactant yang sama. Jadi apa reactant akan hasil? So first kena buat apa?
Pecahkan.
Okay, pecahkan. Okay, pecahkan. Okay, mari kita pecahkan dapat bond kat sini. Pecahkan, pecahkan. Lepas tu?
Tulis balik tambah.
Tulis balik. Okay, double bond O. Tulis balik, double bond O. So, apa jawapan dia? Mari kita tengok. So tadi Danish beritahu pecahkan dia. Okay, I pecahkan dia. Sebenarnya kalau kita senang, kita pecahkan dia. Okay, double bond O. Okay, kita tahu H. Okay, kita expand dia supaya nampak. Okay, ini hasil dia. Okay, campur. Ini pun sama, pecahkan dia. Lepas tu akan bentuk double bond O. Sini ada satu hidrogen. So, sini CH3. Semua orang betul tak? Ini jawapan dia. Ya. Jadi, 9 jawapan yang sama. Okay. Soalan 8 dan soalan 9 jawapan yang sama. Kerana fungsi 1 Roman O3, 2 Roman zinc, H2O ataupun 2 Roman CH3, 2 sulfate. Sama je produk dia. Okay, next. Soalan 10, 11, 12 semua ialah pasal oxidation. Jadi kena buat apa, Daniel? Danish?
Pecahkan.
Pecahkan. Lepas tu?
Lepas tu tengok kalau sebelah dekat carbon tu ada hidrogen, kena tambah OH. Tapi kalau
Okay,
jadi
mari
dua,
kita tengok dua bahagian. Okay, mari kita tengok satu bahagian berwarna kuning. Okay, satu bahagian berwarna merah. Okay, macam mana nak tuliskan hasil dia? Kuning dulu. Apakah hasil untuk kuning?
carbon dioxide dengan water.
Wah, pandainya carbon dioxide dengan water. Okay, jawapan yang betul. Lepas, yang satu lagi? Ada hidrogen ke tak?
Ada.
Ada, jadi kena buat apa? Dia C,
jadi
okay,
OH.
pecah. Dia akan bentuk. Yes, patut. Bentuk C double bond O dulu. Lepas tu akan ada hidrogen tambah OH. Kemudian yang sini, salin balik. Okay Okay, yes. Okay, jadi kat sini, tukar warna sikit. Kat sini ialah carboxylic acid terbentuk. Carboxylic acid terbentuk. Okay, mari tengok yang seterusnya. Ini pun pecahkan. Okay, lepas pecah buat apa? Sama juga, madam guna colour. Okay, kat sini merah. Okay, kat sini guna biru pula. Okay, apakah yang berlaku kat merah?
Merah dia tak jadi apa-apa. Dia salin balik tambah double bond O.
Oh, tak ada apa-apa, salin balik tambah tak apa-apa. Oh, mengapa tak ada apa-apa?
Sebab dia tak ada hidrogen pun.
Okay, kita buat C double bond O. Buat, okay, ada 2 CH3. Kemudian CH3. Okay, betul kerana dia memang tak ada hidrogen kat C ni. C ni langsung tak ada hidrogen. That's why tak boleh jadi apa-apa. Just salin balik. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, yang satu lagi. Adanya biru ini sama dengan merah ini ke tak?
Sama.
Ni sama kan? That's why hasil dia akan sama je. Maksudnya dia akan jadi C double bond O, OH, jadi CH3. Okay, next yang ini. Ini pun pecah. Okay, lepas pecah apa yang hasil? Okay, double bond. Dia ada apa?
Dia ada hidrogen.
Oh, dia ada hidrogen. Okay. So, sebenarnya you tengok sebelah ni yang biru ini sebenarnya dia sama je. Okay, madam like lebih baik semua guna colour yang sama kat sini. Okay. Kalau you all nampak kan sebenarnya bahagian biru sama je. Okay. So, yang bahagian ni ada tukar lagi bahagian hijau. Bahagian hijau ini ada hidrogen. Maksudnya kat sini akan bentuk dua carboxylic acid. Yes. Okay, bagus. Mari kita. Okay. Tolong madam cakap apa yang hasil yang hijau tu?
CH3,
CH3, CH2, C,
CH,
double bond O dulu, baru OH. Okay, yang ini sama je. C double bond O, OH, and then CH3. Okay, so that's all for the summary or revision of alkene. Okay, kat alkene inilah yang anda akan belajar. So sebenarnya 6 electrophilic addition, lagi satu ialah Bayer test. Okay. Satu ialah Bayer test, this one is the Bayer test. And then kat sini cleavage. So cleavage untuk ini 9, 8 sama je. Okay, kemudian yang 10, 11 dan 12 ni kita panggil dia sebagai oxidation test. Oxidation lah, tapi kita tak akan guna sebagai chemical test lah. Okay, kita panggil dia oxidation. Okay, kalau oxidation maksudnya yang KMnO4 ni semua berwarna purple. Lepas dia oxidize, dia akan jadi colourless. Okay, nanti kita akan belajar lagi banyak oxidizing agent yang lain. Ada yang berwarna jingga jadi hijau. Okay, next we proceed for the next chapter. We go for benzene and alkene. Okay, anyone volunteer?
Me, madam, for benzene.
Okay, Shah, right?
Yes,
Okay.
madam.
Okay, let's start. Okay, for the first one. Okay, actually write question 1, question 2, question 3, and question 4. Okay, 4 of the reaction we call as what type of reaction?
Electrophilic aromatic substitution.
Very good. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay, let's start. So for the first one, what is the product?
Madam, do I have to share my screen?
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay,
Okay.
I stop sharing. Okay.
Madam, can you see my screen?
Yeah,
Okay.
but you have to zoom a bit, zoom a bit so that we can see the answer for each question.
Is it okay, madam?
Yeah, sure. Yes, you can continue.
Okay, so
Yang lain boleh nampak kan?
So for the first one, I got
Yang lain boleh nampak?
bromobenzene.
Sorry ya. Okay.
Okay.
Bromobenzene, yes.
And then the second one, I got nitrobenzene.
Yes.
The third one, I got methylbenzene.
Yes.
The fourth one is aromatic ketone.
Aromatic ketone, yes.
And then the fifth one, I got benzoic acid.
Benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid actually is oxidation.
Okay.
Then the last one?
CH2Cl.
Yes, this is practical test. Toluene or methylbenzene will produce, chloromethylbenzene. Okay, good. How about alkane?
Oh, alkene I haven't do it, madam.
Never mind. Okay. Let's check what is the answer for this case, 4A1. Okay, I share first. Okay, this one I call, okay, wait. Okay, wait, I share my screen. Present now.
And then I do for the alcohol.
Never mind. I want to test you on just 2 simple questions. Okay. So for question number 1. So what is the answer? This is propane wrapped with oxygen. So what is the product? In excess oxygen. So the answer is simple.
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, and
H2O.
Water.
yeah, water, H2O. Of course, for this simple question, right, you have to balance it. So total there are how many carbon? 3
3.
carbon, right? Yes, hold
Yep.
3. Okay, hydrogen.
8 hydrogen. So 4
8
H2O.
hydrogen. So 4 H2O. So now there are 4 oxygen and then 3 oxygen. So total suppose is correct, 5. Okay, so 10 and then become 5. So yes, correct. So 5 oxygen. Very good. Okay, how about the second one? What is the answer?
CH3.
Yes.
CHCl.
Yes, CHCl. And then?
CH3.
Yes, very good. So actually, right, under benzene and alkene, there are not much chemical reaction. So the first one electrophilic addition, electrophilic aromatic substitution. So you just substitute, okay? So this one substitute the bromine, okay? This one substitute, okay, student might be confused, okay? The one which substitute is NO2, and then okay, you have to write down the complete reagent, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, 50 to 55 degrees Celsius is a must. And for this one is okay, alkylation, CH3 is substituted, must with the catalyst. Same for here. Okay, here they see double bond O. If you're not familiar, you not okay. You can point out the double bond O, meaning that this carbon attached to benzene ring. That's why the answer is C double bond O CH3. Okay. And then this one oxidation. As long as the carbon that attached with the benzene ring, there is a hydrogen atom, then it straight away will become benzoic acid. Okay, straight away will become benzoic acid. Okay, if I change the question, if I change this question with a C with 3 methyl group. If I change to C with 3 methyl group, means C CH3. Yeah. By right, okay, the maximum bond for carbon is 4. So if here is 1 bonding, 2 bonding CH3, 3 bonding CH3, and then the 4 bonding CH3, yeah, there is no hydrogen. So if there is no hydrogen for this C that attached to benzene ring, when react with KMnO4H plus heat, means no reaction happen. Okay, this one simple free radical substitution. So this one is free radical substitution, and this one we call as oxidation. Yeah, so that's all for benzene ring and alkene. So next we process halogen. Okay, Jason, do you want to share your screen or the answer over here? Okay, so you should tell me the answer. Yeah, let's try the answer together. So what is the answer for when, okay, if you notice, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For this 7 reaction, right, we will call it as what type of reaction?
Nucleophilic substitution.
Yes, very good. Nucleophilic substitution. Okay, for those who not really understand why, first of all, is due to all of these are nucleophile. Okay, all of these are nucleophile. Or we can check over here. This one is partially positive, partially negative. So this one is electrophilic site. If you still remember chapter 4, Introduction to Organic Chemistry, this is electrophilic site. That's why nucleophile is substituted over here. So the Cl, ClO, the Cl will be replaced by the nucleophile. So let's try what is the product. Okay, for question number 1, what is the product?
CH3OH
Yes, very good.
plus
Then,
NaCl.
yes, plus NaCl. Okay, so the main focus is this one, CH3OH methanol. NaCl, if you know, you just write down. Okay, number 2.
CH3 and H2.
Yes, CH3 and H2. Always remember, nitrogen maximum bond is 3. Okay. So once it's substitute, right? Okay, and then here will be substituted with the C, and then this H will become plus H.
And H4Cl.
Oh yeah. HCl.
H.
HCl.
Okay.
HCl. Okay, because NH2 is substitute with the Cl, and then remain one H. H will join with the Cl. Okay. Number 3.
CH3Cn.
Yes. Plus.
KCl.
Yes. Here.
CH3OH.
CH3OH plus.
HCl.
Yes. How about this one?
CH3 and then CH3O CH2 CH3
Yes, from ether. Here,
plus
always remember the joining part is over here. Okay, so plus H.
HCl.
Okay, good. Okay, this one.
This one is CH3O CH3
Yes.
plus Cl negative.
Yes, plus Cl negative. Okay. Wait, why I write down the negative one? Okay. Okay, how about this one?
This one is CH3O then C to double bond O and CH3.
Yes. Okay, so what is the compound? What is this compound?
This one is ester.
Yes, ester. Okay.
Uh,
So finish already. Okay, finish already for the 7 reaction that involve nucleophilic substitution.
Madam,
Okay.
the number 7 got plus Cl negative also, right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, plus Cl negative as the byproduct. Okay. So for these 7 questions, right, the most important thing is the major product. The side product is not so important. But if you know, right, you just write down. Okay. Second reaction for haloalkane is elimination. This one you should very familiar because you learned already in alkene preparation of alkene. So what is the product for question 7A? Question 8. Yes, CH2 double bond CH2 alkene. Alkene is forming. Okay. Now we next all is related with the Grignard reagent. First, we need to prepare the Grignard reagent. Then from the Grignard reagent, react with hydrolyze. Okay. Second one is react with metana. This react with ethana. Is it ethana? Yeah. Okay. And then this react with ketone. And then this one react with CO2. So when Grignard reagent react with different reactant, right, it will produce different products. So the first one, okay, we form the Grignard reagent first. So what is the answer for question 9, Jason? Yes. So this is the Grignard reagent form. So once you form the CH3Cl, right? Okay, the first one, hydrolyzed will become
CH4
number 10.
plus Mg
Only
bracket
one carbon. Only one carbon once it hydrolyzed become
CH4.
Jason?
Hello?
Yes, methane. Okay. Yes, plus MgOH.
Cl.
MgOHCl. Yes, this is the byproduct. For your information, right, all the byproduct is the same. MgOHCl. So it's the same one. So you just write down MgOHCl. Okay, now we proceed. Okay, this one, what is the product? For Grignard reagent react with metana. Okay.
CH3 CH2OH.
CH3, CH2,
OH.
OH. Yes, correct. So this is what? What is this? We call as this one is primary alcohol. Okay, this is primary alcohol attached with one carbon only. Okay, now if the Grignard reagent react with ethana, what happens?
CH3 CH bracket OH and then CH3.
Okay, yes. So what is the class of alcohol?
secondary alcohol.
Yes, this is secondary alcohol. So this one is secondary alcohol. Okay, next.
And then is CH3, C, and then bracket CH3, bracket OH. And then CH3. Bracket CH3 first, and then bracket OH.
Okay, CH3 brackets. Okay, why not like this?
Oh,
Okay, is it one, one? Okay. If for those who not familiar, right, never mind. We try C double bond O over here, right? Okay, let us teach a big concept, So here CH3, here CH3. Okay. Okay. Siapa yang tak okay, tengok balik konsep yang Madam ajar, kita buat ulang kaji untuk konsep sikit. So here is partially negative, here is partially positive. And then here is partially negative, here is partially positive. So negative, okay, go to here. So here will become OMgCl. And then here, okay, from negative, go to positive. Okay, so let's try, we do it step by step. Okay, before we do it one shot, we do it step by step first. Okay. Okay, so Madam ajar macam mana? I cakap you all salin je bahagian ini. Okay, so CH3, okay, CH3. Okay, and then here become O negative MgCl. So the Mg with positive sign, and then here attach with the CH3. And then second step here hydrolyze. Okay, hydrolyze, then will become okay CH3, okay CH3, and then here CH3, and then become OH. So this is tertiary alcohol. Okay. Kalau siapa yang mahir, okay, this is tertiary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Kalau siapa yang mahir, dia boleh terus CH3, bracket 3, and then OH. Tak ada masalah. CH3, 3, bracket OH, tak ada masalah. Boleh juga. So this is tertiary alcohol, attached with 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. Okay. So this carbon is tertiary carbon. So the alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Okay. Jason, let's continue for the next. So what is the next?
next question is CH3, COOH.
CH3. Yes, CH3, COOH. So this is the answer for question 14. Carboxylate is formed. When the green reagent react with CO2 and then hydrolyze, it will form carboxylic acid. So in this case, you check. So here 1 carbon, here 2 carbon. That's why form ethanol acid. Okay. Okay, actually, this question, that's all Haloalkene. So there are 3 parts. The first part is nucleophilic substitution. The second part is elimination, and the third part is the green reagent. If you check, right, okay. Always refer to the slide I share with you all. Summary slide I share with you all. This one. Okay. So if you base on here, right, actually it's the same. So there are 7. There are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 nucleophilic substitution. And then 1 elimination when haloalkene react with potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, any base solution in ethanol, reflux, and then form alkene. And then preparation of green reagent from haloalkene react with magnesium, dry ether, don't forget the dry ether, and then form the green reagent. From the green reagent, when you hydrolyze it, it will form the alkane. And then when you react with metana, hydrolyze, form primary alcohol, ethanol, all the aldehyde except metana, okay, and then hydrolyze, it will form secondary alcohol. And then react with ketone, for example, in this case, propanol, and then hydrolyze, it will form tertiary alcohol. And the last one is when the green reagent react with carbon dioxide, it will form carboxylic acid. So always refer these summary notes that Madam given. Okay, and must remember the preparation of haloalkene involve 3 methods. There are 3 preparations for haloalkene. First is free radical substitution of alkene. This one you learned already. Alkene react with chlorine or bromine under UV, so it will form haloalkene. Or electrophilic addition of alkene. Okay, chapter 5 as well. okay, undergo electrophilic addition. And then this one is from alcohol, nucleophilic substitution alcohol. This one we are going to learn for the next. So replace the OH replaced by the Cl and then form haloalkene. So this reagent is special because we can use HCl, PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2. Okay, now let's proceed with this alcohol. Okay, okay, so after Jason, right? So Lian and Eng as well. Okay, two of them prepare for alcohol. So we ask few questions. Okay, two of you competition. Siapa dapat jawab dengan cepat. Okay, I ask you question. Are you ready? Lian and Eng Pei Wei. Pei Wei still here?
Yes, madam.
Okay, Lian Zhang Yan still here?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so competition between F2 and M5, Okay. Okay, I ask Eng first. What is the difference between alcohol and phenol?
Phenol is attracted to the benzene.
Attached. Okay, attached as benzene. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, some of you may confuse. Okay, what is the difference between alcohol and alcohol? Okay, alcohol is for example, this is linear aliphatic alcohol, strict change aliphatic alcohol. Okay, if cyclic also considered as aliphatic alcohol, cyclics also considered as aliphatic alcohol. Okay, and then phenol like this. Phenol is a benzene ring attached with alcohol. So before we proceed for the reaction, right? Okay, Lian, there are how many chemical reactions for alcohol?
Two. No.
Two? Are you sure?
Chemical reaction. Three.
Three? Yes, five. Who is the one who answer? Siapa yang jawab? Tadi. Yeah, Hanis Umaira. Bagus. Okay, I share my screen. Can you see, right? All of you can see my screen, right? Chemical reaction of alcohol. Yes? Madam share screen. Okay, good. So you check over here, there are 5 types of chemical reaction of alcohol. Okay, the first one is alcohol react with sodium, and then it will form, okay, CH3, CH2O, just copy. The O must with negative sign, and then Na is react. So that day madam did mention something missing here. You have to write down the Na plus as well. So the sign of O negative, Na plus is a must. And then the byproduct is hydrogen. Okay. The second one, okay, we go for this one. Second one is the reaction between alcohol and carboxylic acid. So what is the name of this reaction? Esterification. Okay, the reagent is concentrated H2SO4 reflux. So it will form ester. Okay, always remember the reaction is between alcohol and carboxylic acid. It will eliminate H2O. When it eliminates H2O, you have to know, right? The H2O is from alcohol, the H is from alcohol, and then the OH is from the carboxylic acid. Okay, now, okay, you join together. So normally, right, for madam, I prefer start with carboxylic acid. I will write down CH3, C double bond O, and then the O over here, the O from the alcohol, and then attach O, CH2, CH3. Okay, actually it's the same. If you start with alcohol first, CH3, CH2O, and then you must alert, okay, one is attached to C, the C over here, and then form double bond O, and then CH3. No matter from left to right or right to left, you will form the same product. Okay, And then the third one, okay, quite familiar. Preparation of alkene, dehydration of alcohol when react with concentrated H2SO4 heat. Okay, alcohol react with this reagent, it will form alkene. Okay, next is substitution. Okay, this is the preparation of haloalkene that we mentioned just now. This one is the preparation of haloalkene. You check all produce haloalkene. Just the difference is the byproduct. If HBr, byproduct H2O. PBr3, H3PO3. PBr5, POBr3, HCl. If SOCl2 guanide chloride is SO2HCl. Okay, so this is substitution reaction for alcohol. And then this one, oxidation. Oxidation is quite interesting because right, we have to know, okay, actually methanol, one carbon. When it oxidizes, because only one carbon, it will form CO2 and H2O. Seems like the oxidation happened for alkene. When there is only one carbon, it will form CO2, H2O. Okay, and then for one butanol, straight away, okay, actually will continue. If strong oxidizing agent will continue become carboxylic acid, and then weak oxidizing agent it form methanol. Okay, kena alert lah. Kalau primary alcohol kena alert apa jenis reagent yang diguna. Kalau oxidizing reagent dia lemah, dia bentuk aldehyde. Kalau oxidizing dia kuat, contohnya sodium dichromate, KMnO4, potassium dichromate, semua ni akan terus jadi carboxylic acid. Okay, if secondary alcohol when oxidized, it will become ketone. If tertiary alcohol, since there is no hydrogen, that's why no observable change. Yang tadi saya cakap, dan alkene yang saya, kalau tak ada hydrogen, dia akan reaction. That's why no observable change. So these are the 5 chemical reaction of alcohol. How about preparation? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 preparation. Okay, so hydrolysis of haloalkene, no problem. Repeat already. This one we learned already. Electrophilic addition, acidify water. Kita pun pernah belajar. And then this one fermentation is more biological method. Okay, you must use glucose, and then with yeast and the catalyst Z-mase, it will form ethanol. Hasil dia memang ethanol saja. Okay, it form ethanol. And then addition of Grignard reagent to carbonyl compound. Yes, just now you learned already. From the Grignard reagent, react with methanol, primary alcohol, react with aldehyde acid methanol, secondary alcohol, react with ketone, form tertiary alcohol. Maksudnya preparation of alcohol memang belajar sebelum dah. Okay, so now let's try the question. Okay, Lian, you start first. You share screen. Can you share your screen or what? Lian Zhang Yan, you share your screen, Okay. Oh my God, I forgot to record. Jason. Sorry, Jason. Thank you. Okay, next. Okay, Lian, continue. Okay, you can start now.
C6H12O6 react with yeast and Z-mase to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. Then CH3CH2OH react with sodium to produce sodium
correct.
alkoxide.
Question 2.
CH3CH2OH react with sodium to produce sodium alkoxide and hydrogen gas. Question 3. CH3CH2OH react with CH3COOH and with concentrated sulfuric acid and heat to produce the ester and water.
Yes, good.
And question 4. CH3CH2OH react with hot concentrated sulfuric acid to produce alkene. Question 5. CH3CH2OH react with HBr to produce CH3CH2Br and water. Question number 6. CH3CH2OH react with PBr3 to produce CH3CH2Br and H3PO3. Question number 7 is CH3CH2OH react with PBr5 to produce CH3CH2Br plus POBr3 and HBr.
Mm.
Question number 8 is CH3CH2OH plus S2Cl2 to produce CH3CH2Cl plus SO2 and HCl.
Yep. Okay, this one is produce CH3, CH2, Cl, SO2. Mm. Okay, question number 9, oxidation.
CH3OH undergo oxidation to produce methanoic acid.
Are you sure it's methanoic acid? Okay, class, is it correct? Methanol oxidized will form methanoic acid. Is it correct?
Ethanol.
Only one carbon. How can form ethanol? Just like I did mention, it's one carbon. What happened?
It become
Zero.
carbon dioxide.
Yes, is it Amir?
Yes, madam.
Ke siapa? Yes, Amir. Yes, what is the answer? CO2 and?
Water.
Yes, CO2 and water. Question number 9, it will form CO2 and water. Okay, if not sure, never mind, you can we can double check from the reference book and lecture notes and check. Then you get the answer from reference book or lecture notes? Or just based on your
I do myself.
understanding, you know? Sorry?
Based on my understanding.
Oh, yeah, okay. If based on understanding, yes, because methanol or you talk alcohol, strong oxidizing will form carboxylic acid, but have to be careful because only one carbon. If one carbon, right, methanol, it will form CO2 plus H2O. For the rest, yes. Any primary alcohol with strong oxidizing agent, it will form carboxylic acid. You are right. Okay, but this is special case. Okay, good try. How about question 10? Question 10 is weak oxidizing agent. So what is the product?
CH3CH2CH2CHO. Alright, Right. Question 11 is CH3CH2CH2CH3OH undergo oxidation to produce CH3CH2CH2COOH.
Okay, Lynn, you go back to question number 10 and 11 to show question 10 and 11. Okay, 10. Okay, everybody look at 10. 10 is butanol. 11 also butanol. Okay, 10 is PCC, weak oxidizing agent. That's why it forms butana. Okay, 11 is strong oxidizing agent. It forms butanoic acid. Okay, clear? Yeah, good try. So now we switch to, okay, wait. You continue for question 12. Okay, thank you, Lynn. Yeah,
Okay.
good try.
But maybe I didn't prepare for the presentation, so I can just speak the answer.
Okay. Wait, if you want to just pick the answer. Okay, alcohol. Okay. So, okay, let's continue. Question number? 11, 10, 11, done. Okay, 13. 13, okay. Question 12. Continue question 12 first. So what is the product for question 12?
CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3.
CH3, CH2, C double bond O.
C double bond
Okay,
O,
C double bond
CH3.
CH3. Okay. Okay, yes, so this is you check this is secondary alcohol. That's why it oxidizes will become ketone. Okay, how about this one? Question
There's no
13.
reaction. Negative.
Yes, no observable change. Okay, for the observation. Okay, if you can write down no reaction also can. Okay, no reaction also can. Okay, good. And then question number 14.
H double bond O negative.
CH3.
I mean, okay. My answer is H C double bond O
H
negative.
C double bond O
O
negative.
negative. Plus CHI3.
Yes, plus CHI3. Okay, CHI3 come first. CHI3. Okay. So CHI3, this one actually, what is the color of CHI3?
Yellow.
Yes, yellow precipitate. Okay, this one we call as iodoform test. One of the chemical tests to identify the methyl. What means by methyl? If you draw the structure, right, the structure should be like this. Okay, this OH and then H over here and then H over here. Here, there's a methyl group. Okay, so there is a structure like this. Okay, there's a methyl group over here. That's why it can form the yellow precipitate. We call it as iodoform test. Okay, how about next?
In CH3CH2Cl plus H2O.
Okay, plus H2O. So this one is primary alcohol. Okay, if you check this is, what is the reagent? We call it as what reagent?
Because
Lucas. Yes,
because
Lucas
this
reagent.
reagent is
This one is Lucas reagent. Lucas. Okay, Lucas reagent. Of course, you have to know actually this is Lucas test. What is the purpose of Lucas test? What is the purpose of Lucas
to
test? Actually,
determine the classes of alcohol.
yes, to determine the classes of alcohol. So question number 16 is what class of alcohol?
Secondary.
Yes, question 17.
Question 17. The answer is CH3C Cl CH3 CH3.
CH3, C, Cl, CH3, CH3. Oh, okay, so CH3 2 lah. Okay, so this is tertiary alcohol. That's why the observation is cloudy solution form immediately. For this one, question 16, what is the answer?
The 16 is CH3 CH Cl CH3 plus H2O.
Okay. Yes, plus H2O. Okay, here also plus H2O. Okay, so class actually very simple. Just the alcohol. Hey, sorry. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Okay, but for this one, actually, this is not the answer. Okay, for question number 15, there is no answer. Why? Because no cloudy solution is formed. Okay, that's why the answer is no observable change or no reaction. No observable change or no reaction. Okay, because cloudy solution won't form for primary alcohol. Be careful. Okay, many of you might straight away. For me, sometimes I also forget. Okay, I just look at here. Oh, OH or and then Cl. Yes, substitution. But for primary alcohol, no. Okay. Next panel. Okay. So what is the answer for question 18?
Okay, the benzene ring will attach to O negative and A plus
Okay. Yes.
plus
What is the
half
byproduct?
H2.
Okay. Yes. The half is not important, but since you know half, you just write down half. How about 19?
The benzene ring will attach to O negative and A plus
Yes, same thing. But what is the
plus
byproduct over
H2O.
here? Yes, because this is acid, this one is base. Actually, neutralization is happened. So this one is salt. So this is water. So neutralization is happened. Okay, you all alert. Phenol can react with sodium, can react with sodium hydroxide. But if you check over here, alcohol only can react with sodium. Alcohol cannot react with sodium hydroxide. Berhati-hati ya, jangan confuse ah. Sodium boleh bertindak balas dengan alkohol. Sodium boleh bertindak balas dengan fenol. Tapi hanya fenol je yang boleh bertindak balas dengan sodium hydroxide ya. Apa tu fenol? Benzene ring attached dengan OH, itu barulah fenol. Yang lain bukan ah. Okay, good try. Last two question is the chemical test for phenol. So the first one, what is the product? This one is very special.
The FeCl3 will attach to the benzene, the phenol.
Like this. FeCl.
Cl3.
What is the observation?
To form a light purple complex.
Purple complex is formed. Okay, purple complex is formed. How about number 21?
There is 3 branches of Br attached to phenol.
So what is the name of this product?
2,4,6-tribromophenol.
Yes, 2,4,6-tribromophenol. And then what is the observation?
White precipitate form.
Yes, white precipitate form. Okay, so this is the exercise, the revision for alcohol. Okay, I hope you all can get something. Okay, so let me check for something. Alcohol. Okay, so this, I think you all get all the answer already. This is the quick review for alkane, alkene, benzene, haloalkene, and alcohol. So later, right, madam will share this video. Okay, I hope you all right. Here the total, how many of you are? Okay, let me check. Okay, total around 12 of you. Okay, can guide your friends. Maybe some of your friends quite weak in learning or studying, no matter is what subject. Okay, since you all more hardworking, and then you can pick up very fast. So try to help your friends, Okay, and then later I will upload about the video about briefing of carbonyl. Then you try to watch the video and then try your tutorial question. So next week we are going to learn carbonyl. Maybe we will touch a bit carboxylic acids as well. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining. Bye.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.